What's up, y'all? Ben Vista, the Heartland Maker here. Today we're coming at you with another project video. This one is actually a pretty unique cutting board I made. The cutting board was made in a very traditional fashion, but as you saw in those pictures, it changes colors depending on which side you look at it, and that's thanks to this beautiful piece of hickory that you see here. How it works is hickory naturally has a lot of figure, and the heartwood and the sapwood on this piece of board were so close together that at the midpoint of the end grain, it changes from the sapwood to the heartwood, which you see here, and that's what makes the illusion, if that's the right word, happen of having one side of the cutting board have light wood and on the other side of the cutting board have darker wood. Hopefully that explanation made a little bit of sense. I tried to make it as concise as I could, but like I said, this is a pretty traditional cutting board, so I'm just going to let the rest of the video do the talking, and I hope you guys enjoy. And that'll just about do it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this is a pretty standard cutting board in terms of construction, but the beauty of it, in my opinion, lies within the wood, and just the relationship between the sapwood and the heartwood was awesome. So if you like this video, throw a like on it, and if you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing.